Hi everyone! Let's cook! Magluto ako ng squash and beans. Ginataang squash and beans with shrimp. So first, nag-reheat na ako ng init ko na yung oil. So I'm gonna add garlic. So na-add ko na ang garlic. Saute lang natin konti until mag-golden brown. Then we have to add the onion and ginger. So okay na ang garlic. Now let's add ginger and onions together. Same thing, isaute lang natin siya until mag-translucent yung onions. Okay, it's ready na. Now, I'm gonna add the shrimp. Ginalatan ko na siya kanina, guys, yung shrimp. Haluan lang konti. Let's add some pepper, fresh pepper, and then salt. Haluin lang ulit. So, naluto na ang shrimp. Tanggalin ko lang siya muna. Ayaw ko ma-overcook siya. So, tanggalin natin. Tanggalin natin. Are you exercising, baby? So, natanggal ko na rest of, not all of the shrimps. Nag-iwan ako ng konti para may pampalasa pag isa ko ng squash. Now, let's add the squash. So, haluin. And then, lagyan natin ng, let's add salt. Depende sa inyo, guys, if you want it a little salty or less salty. Depende sa taste nyo. Okay? You can season it the way you like. Mix natin. So, let's cover it for like 5 minutes. And then, haluin natin ulit. Okay, let's check. Okay, yan na. Yum. So, we're gonna add what is it? Coconut milk this time. Yum. Haluin natin. So, haluin lang natin. And I want it have a little more sauce or sabaw. So, I have some shrimp water here. So, I'm gonna add it a little bit. Ayan. Then, pakuluan natin. Pakuluan. Lagyan lang natin ng konting fish sauce. Fish sauce ang inalalagay ko, guys. Minsan. Yan. And then, I have a little oyster sauce. I-add natin para may flavor. Para masarap. And then, halo-halo. Pakuluan lang natin siguro mga 5 minutes. Okay. Check na natin ang squash. Haluin natin. Mukhang ready na. Tingnan natin ang lasa. Sarap. Now, let's add the string beans. Yan. Haluin lang natin. And then, we're gonna add the shrimp now too. There you go. So, pakuluan lang natin, guys. Siguro mga 3 to 4 minutes para maluto yung beans. Mabilis lang naman ito maluto eh. Okay. Kumulo na. Ready na ang gulay. It's ready na. Squash and string beans with shrimp. Sarap! Thank you for watching.